Hey guys, so just a quick tutorial today on how to take your Tesla EV wall charger, your home charger off the wall in case you're moving. And there aren't a lot of tutorials out there kind of showing you how to take a charger off. There are tons of self-install videos, but there are no like, hey, take it off the wall and take it with you. What do you gotta do? You can take off just that front white part in the cord and it kind of detaches from the back plate and you can leave the back plate on the wall. The back plate kit right here on Tesla's website is like 65 bucks. The expensive part is that big white piece and that big long cord on the ground over there, you see it? So I wanna just take the expensive parts with me. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Again, I'm not an electrician, I'm not a certified anything. I've done a ton of reading up on this. Obviously, the first step you wanna do is turn off the breaker entirely to make sure that the Tesla wall charger does not have any power going to it, make sure nothing is live. I've let this sit for about 20 minutes or so off. I can't stress this enough. Again, I am not a certified electrician at all, but at the end of the day, it's gonna save me a few $100 and just take my equipment that I bought with me. So stick around for the video here. Give it a big thumbs up if you find it helpful. It's really, really easy to do. Let's get into it. So once you've turned your breaker off entirely, of course, make sure that you've got the right one. You didn't hit lights or the basement lights or your furnace or anything else. Make sure you hit the EV charger breaker and turn it off entirely. You can see here that this is receiving no power. There's no green lights, no red lights, no blue lights of any kind. The first thing you want to do is take off the 4 screws. Can you see them right here? There's 2 up top, one right here and one right here, and there's 2 more on the underside as well. You want to use a Torx, I think this is a 25. Make my camera kind of zoom in here. Yep, a 25, and just take those 4 screws off. All right, that is your first step. The screws actually are kind of really small. Look at them, I mean, they're really kind of short. They shouldn't take too long. I'm filming with my right hand and using my left hand, so it's a little bit awkward for me. It feels a little bit different than it normally would, and I would be doing this not so sloppily. So get all these 4 screws off, and I'll meet you on the other side. Okay, so at long last, after I got all these stupid little screws out, there's only 4 of them again, put them down here, and truly this then just comes right off the wall. Literally just like that. I mean, and you see the back here connects with a little bit of a prong, and then there is the actual bracket that stays in the wall. So I'm gonna stop here and actually not do any more. I'm just gonna leave this on the wall the way it is. Again, this part here that you're looking at is like a $65 part on Tesla, on Tesla's website, and that looks too complicated for me to trust myself to try. I don't wanna get anyone in trouble, but then you kind of just leave a note for the person who is gonna be buying the house. This is already ready to go for a Tesla EV charger. If you want to do more, that's up to you, but truly, all I want is the expensive big cord part. That's the core of the actual Tesla wall charger. And then this is compatible with, you know, another bracket that you buy yourself for 65 bucks. So save yourself the hassle of hiring an electrician to just take this part off the wall. This is the expensive part. Why would you pay 200 bucks to have someone take out 4 screws for you? That is all there is to it. This is a pretty easy self uninstall. So as you saw, super easy. No need to pay someone a couple $100 to come out and unscrew 4 screws. 10 seconds of your time on each screw if you can do it better and faster than I can. And then you have the entire actual unit still in your possession there, which I think is the important part. The whole part is like 400 bucks together. So this part, if you do the math, is like $335. That part's 65. Yeah, well worth the simple task of taking out 4 screws. All right, I know this is super simple, super easy, but wanted to just share it with you all in case you were wondering, how do I do this? There is a bracket kit on Tesla's website. This is such an easy thing to do and it saves you money. So if you found this quick tutorial helpful, I know it was so helpful, me showing you how to unscrew 4 screws with the Torx 25, give a big thumbs up, comment below, follow the channel as well. We'll see y'all next time.
In audio.